Hello, my name is Joel Grimes with the Small Wheeler Product Group based in Clayton, North Carolina. We're here today with the all-new CAT K-Series small wheel loaders, including the 924K, the 930K, as well as the 938K. We're going to share some operator tips with you so that you can get the most out of your new K-Series small wheel loader. Let's have a look at how to navigate the secondary display. Through positive interaction buttons, you can make adjustments real time. The buttons along the side correspond to the individual icons here on the secondary display. The home screen is simply your engine, your ground speed, your direction, and your fuel level. But there are additional screens that you can access when needed. Machine hours, lifetime fuel burn, a running 15-minute average, and my favorite, a resettable job function. This allows you as an operator to track your fuel burn real time during operation. You can reset this through a simple interaction here at the beginning of a shift, and you can track your fuel burn throughout the day. As we progress further through the screens, you'll see that we're going to show you both digitally and graphically what your machine vital temperatures are, as well as some of the individual settled parameters and what they are currently set at for your convenience. And last but not least, some additional machine parameters that you'll want to track throughout the day. With the easy to navigate home screens, it'll keep you and the machine running in true concert all day long. The secondary display can be set up in any one of 22 different languages or even English and metric units. Let's have a look at how to make that adjustment. As we come into our settings screen, we can go OK on settings and into our display and then into our language screen. By easily dialing down to the language of interest, in this case Spanish, we can hit OK and we've set that language. Now as we go back to our home screen, you can see that we're now in Spanish. Operator tip for you, if you need to get back into English, you can simply go back to your settings and 4 hits of the OK button will automatically take you back to English. To make adjustments to the units, it's a very similar set of menu picks. This time into settings, OK, onto display, but this time let's dial down to those units and make that adjustment over to metric. Back to our home screen, we can see now that our ground speed has been changed to a metric kilometers per hour. So as you can see, with a few quick button pushes, we can convert this machine to talk directly to you, the operator. Here we've gone through both language and units. You can see how easily it is to set on the go. Diagnostics are also available through the secondary display, so you as an operator can see what's going on with your machine if you ever have a fault code. Let's have a look at how to get into that service diagnostics mode. Again, through our settings, this time we'll dial down to service. And into service and into diagnostics mode, if you've ever got an issue, it will be logged here with the code, how many times it's occurred, what systems affected, and what action you should take. So when you call that dealer, they're more likely to get the right part on the truck, so when they come out to visit you, they get it fixed right the first time. And back to our home screen, you can see how easy it is to get in and out of that diagnostics mode with that additional information available at your fingertips. To help with fleet management, we're also going to track lifetime totals of this machine and make them available to you as an operator or a fleet manager. Let's have a look. Into our settings menu, we can come down to our totals, and in our totals, we're going to give you a lifetime distance traveled, number of hours operated, and number of gallons of fuel burned. That easy to check the lifetime totals on your K-Series small wheel loader. The secondary display also duals as your backup camera, so when you put the machine in reverse, it automatically becomes your backup camera. So as you swing around to look behind you, it naturally catches your eye. Now, if you're roading or if you're pushing snow and you would like to have that camera on while you're in forward, you can override it to go straight to the backup camera in any operation. And it's as easy as putting the back button to get back to your home screen. A lot of flexibility in that backup camera control. The secondary display works in concert with the soft touch buttons in the K-Series small wheel loaders, allowing you to make real-time adjustments to the machine. An operator tip: all of the buttons that have got white lines all the way around them have a deeper push and hold functionality that work in concert with the secondary display. Now let me show you my favorite button on this panel. If you need help, a simple push of the question mark button will light up. Simple push of the button and it will tell you what the light codes mean as well as what the button action is. It will time out in 10 seconds, or you can go back to the home screen using the back button. So don't let that secondary display and operator touchscreen be intimidating. That help button is available in those 22 different languages. The machine will tell you what the functions are. As you can see, the all-new CAT K-Series small wheel loaders have been designed for operators. We hope that you find these operator tips useful and help you get the most out of your K-Series small wheel loader. Looking forward to seeing one on your job site. Now let's go to work.